Hey, Washington Eagles, it's Mrs. Laird. I was reading books with Brindley and decided I should record some for you. So enjoy Nibbles, the Book Monster by Emma Yarlett. Caution, this book bites. Handle with care. This is a story about a little monster called Nibbles. Nibbles liked to nibble soap, and Nibbles nibbled socks. Nibbles chomps on rubber ducks, and Nibbles munches on clocks. Nibbles loves to nibble toes, and Nibbles nibbles hooks. But Nibbles' favorite thing to nibble on is books. Oh no! Where's Nibbles? He's nibbled his way out of this book! Gone. Can you see him? Do you see him, Brindley? Oh no! Nibbles has nibbled his way into someone else's story! Goldilocks and the Three Bears. When the three bears came home, they were shocked. Someone's eaten my porridge. Someone smashed my chair. Someone's broken everything. It wasn't me. It was a monster. Poor Goldilocks. Naughty Nibbles nibbled his way into another story. Quick, let's catch him. Little Red Riding Hood. Deep in the dark, dark forest, Little Red found Grandma's cottage. Help! Stop that nibbler! He's just nibbled my granny's lunch basket and he nabbed my cloak. Little Red knocked on the door and went inside. Grandma looked very strange. I look strange? What about Little Red? She doesn't look right at all. Oh, Little Red, what cute, fluffy paws you have. What a rumbly, grumbly tummy, and what a nibbly little teeth. All the better to nibble with. After a terrible hullabaloo, Grandma was set free from the cupboard. Let me in. This story is meant to be about me. My hero. Thank you, Nibbles. Oh, Nibbles, you've turned me into a chicken. I feel so fluffy. And the big bad wolf was never big or bad ever again. Oh dear, Little Red is not happy. We've really got to catch Nibbles this time. He's making a real mess of things. Let's get him. Jack and the Beanstalk. When Jack climbs a giant beanstalk in his back garden, he finds a giant house, a giant gold goose, and a gigantic, grumpy giant. Will Jack set the poor goose free? And will he make a home for dinner? Fee, fi, fo, fum. I'll get you back for this, you nibbly hooligan. Phew, that was a close shave. Hooray, the golden goose is free at last. It looks like he's taking Nibbles back to his own story. Yay, the golden goose has dropped Nibbles back into his own book. Thank you, golden goose. Now quick, let's close the crate before Nibbles escapes again. Ouch, says Nibbles. Phew, well done. Now you really mustn't take your eyes off of Nibbles. Not even for 1 second. Stop! Can you hear something? What's that noise? Nibble, chew, gnaw. Oh no, not again. The end. Hope you enjoyed, Washington.